Examples of hunting activities. 1 can make use of the NHSA letters provided on the NatShoot website under Hunting Plus. Click on Hunting Plus on the main natshoot.co.za website. On this page, you can download the necessary document needed. Or one can simply use a letter from a farmer with dates hunted. You can also take a photo of you and the quarry hunted. Please add a date on the photo. One can also attend a national or international show or expo. Taking your hunting buddy for training for the up-and-coming waterfowl season. Receipts of activities will also do. Attending a course to better yourself as a proficient hunter, as well as documents confirming feathered hunts. Photos of feathered hunts imported on a Word document. Note the name, surname, date and place. Also visit the natshoot.co.za website. Click on Dedicated Status. Click on Maintain Dedicated Status with NHSA. Here you'll find all the information regarding the maintenance of dedicated status. You may scroll down to point number 4, where you'll find the list of activities explained with the examples. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask us so that we can be of assistance.